What? Study abroad without IELTS? Yes, it is absolutely possible. Every year, thousands of students go abroad without taking the IELTS exam due to the reasons like high exam fees or limited time to apply. In this video, we will talk about how you can study abroad without IELTS and what options are available for you. But before we begin, let's be clear, IELTS is not just a test to prove English proficiency, it also helps in improving your overall profile and can increase your chance of getting into your dream university. Let's start it with the most common alternative to IELTS, the medium of instruction or the MOI certificate. This is an official letter issued by your school or college on its letterhead confirming that your education was conducted in English. It serves as a valid proof that you can comfortably study in an English speaking environment. Many universities in countries like Canada, the UK accept MOI certificate as an evidence of English language proficiency. Another smart step is to email universities directly and request an IELTS waiver. Write a polite and confident email explaining your English medium background and attach your MOI certificate along with relevant academic records. If you have completed any projects, presentation or internship in English, be sure to mention those as well. Universities value proactive student and a well-written request can often help you to get an IELTS exemption without any trouble. If a university still requires proof of English proficiency, don't worry. There are plenty of alternatives. You can take tests like TOEFL, PTE, and the Duolingo English test, which is affordable and quick and completely online. Some universities even conduct their own English assessments, such as online interview or a short written test. Performing well in these can easily qualify you for admission. Another option is to enroll in an English Bridge or Foundation program offered by the university itself. Once you complete it, you can smoothly transition into your main course. Choosing the no IELTS route works best for the student from English medium schools who have strong English grades and want to save time and money. It is also a great option for applicants exploring study destinations such as Canada, UK, France, Germany, or Ireland. However, if you feel your English skills need some improvement, preparing for the IELTS can still be a valuable step to boost your confidence and strengthen your overall profile. So, which country are you planning to apply and what is your biggest concern? Finance, the visa process, or the university selection? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.